Okay, so today we're gonna go up the top of Rose Hills and go to the Buddhist temple, which is actually called the Guang Shan Buddhist complex. It's gonna be exciting. I've been wanting to go up there for a while, so I'm looking forward to it. Let's do this thing. Fool me once, shame on me. Fool me twice, won't get fooled again. Correction, it's the Buddhist Columbarium. Here's a little bit of the view of LA. You can actually, I think that's Hollywood. You can see Hollywood over there. We're gonna go up there. A lot of crows here. Kind of creepy, right? A little creepy. Let me say hello. Hey guys! How you guys doing? I don't know if you can see that, but that's a non-white water tank. Probably old and rusty, if I'm not mistaken. I like to film water tanks, you know, that's how I am. This is definitely the nicest day I've ever made a video like this. Today you can really see the LA skyline, and I actually brought my Samsung today because it has a 10 times zoom, and you can actually see it now. Apologize for my previous GoPro wide angle attempts at filming the skyline. I was disappointed too. Looks familiar. It's nice being able to see something from a different perspective. It looks beautiful. Okay, this is it. The Buddhist Memorial Columbarium. Amazing. There's always a place to walk down there. Some hiking opportunities. And up there, there's another tower we could go to. Here we are. if you look at the view, it's really beautiful, and always wanted to go up here, so I'm very happy I did this today. All right, that is Nike Hill, the Nike missile site, LA 14, seen from the Buddhist temple. And you look the other way, well, we're actually a little bit too close. There you go, there you go. Nice. This was really fun, but now I'm gonna go down because it's been a while. So there's this kind of relaxing meditation music playing, and I was trying to record it a little bit, but the crows are really at it today. So it's Crow Town over here in Rose Hills. But I'm glad I did this. It took a while, but it's fun. I don't know where I'm gonna go next, but thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Kidding, of course.